Good evening, folks. What we have here today is a Rimor Evo Sound. This is 7 berth, 7 travelling seat belts. What a beautiful van this is. Ideal if you've got large families, taking a group of friends anywhere. This van will be ideal for European travel. It's got the fuel awning on it. It's also got LPG gas, 2 bottles. External gas point for barbecuing outside. TV aerial point in it too. This van's also fitted with the Rogue alloys and BF Goodrich tyres. Lovely condition. This is a 2020 plate, just over 11,000 miles. Full service history. External locker for the battery, leisure battery. It's got a nice feature. If you don't need all the beds, you can actually, the bottom bunk bed, you can actually lift it up and have a garage here if you want to carry more items, so if you don't need all 7 beds. But this van is 7 berth, 7 travelling seat belts. Obviously you got the large overhead cab, double bed up there. The lounge area turns into a double and a single. And then the 2 bunk beds, and you can see that each bunk bed has got its own window. Coming to the rear of the van, it's a fitted reversing camera, 4 bike rack, and it's got a tow bar, which is handy. Yeah, there's some nice features on this van. Obviously it's got air conditioning in the cab. I don't know if you can see it from here, but you can actually see in the top of the roof there, it's got air con for the habitation, which is a really nice feature. And like I said, it's got an awning, but this van also comes with safari sides, so we can make a whole extra room in the van, which is a nice feature. And this motorhome will be coming on Motorhome Marketplace Scotland very shortly. If you want a viewing, just get in touch. Organise a viewing. Beautiful van. Okay, so we're inside the Rimor Evo Sound. And the Ford chassis. 6-speed manual gearbox. All controls on the steering wheel. Seats are in lovely condition. Superb. And then we got a large double bed above the cab. And absolutely massive. Loads of room up there. And then you come into the lounge area and you can see you've got the overhead cupboards going all the way down. Button at the back there. Big deep cupboards as well. Then we have the lounge area. The seat belts here, 2 there. And then 2 there obviously, and this also turns into another double bed. And opposite again we have another seating area for 2, which also turns into a single. We have the TV again, the cupboards, plenty of cupboards, because this is actually a 7 berth motorhome. So while you do have the large double up there, double bed here, and then a single bed. You come towards the rear of the motorhome. Then your bunk beds. So you have up and bottom. What's good about this van is this bunk bed, if you don't need all 7 beds, this bunk bed flips up. And you can just see the seal there. There's actually a doorway that can turn this into a garage. It's got the trauma blown heating. You can see that around. But at the rear of the van here, you can also see it's got an aircon in the habitation. So this van really should be heading to the hot countries abroad. Help keep yourself cool in here. That's the bathroom, but we'll come to that in a minute. And then you have the command system for this Rimor. So it's got the Truma heating with iNet connectivity for your phone. And you've got our gas metering systems. Then we come into the kitchen. It's just as you come in the main habitation door, it's 3-ring gas. You've got a good sized sink. Towel, I suppose. And then it's got soft closing drawers. Plenty of cupboard space. Big drawer of that actually. And also we've got another deep cupboard there as well, which is really good. So it's 3-ring gas. Doesn't have an oven, but what it does have is a microwave, which is also a grill. So plenty of cooking capabilities. Again, more cupboards. Plenty of space. And just now it's got the thermal screen for the windscreen, and also the ladder. You can see it's got a deep, big wardrobe, plenty for a family of 7. And it's got a really good fridge as well. This is a fridge. Really big fridge actually. With a freezing compartment, which is nice. And another entry point into the fridge, which is actually a nice feature. So yeah, so you've got the end bathroom, you've got the bunk beds, in the middle you've got your kitchen area and your fridge, cooking facilities, and cupboards for your food. And go forwards we've got the lounge area, which turns into 2 beds. And we've got plenty of overhead lockers. And then we've got the large double bed. So let's go towards the end bathroom now. So, nice electric flush toilet, vanity sink, again more storage facilities, plenty in here. Electric flush toilet, place to hang your towels. Again, we've got more storage. I love the way the lights work in here. They're touch sensitive, so if you hold them, they dim. When you press it again, it brings it back up. And then the shower area, a good size, really good. So, really big shower. And then to stop the bathroom from getting wet, you've got the doors, the shower doors, which are just now secured off, which is fine. But now that's me fully inside the bathroom. More than plenty of room. Toilet everywhere, so that's good. Yeah, so the Rimor Sound. Evo. Or the Rimor Evo Sound, I should say. Habitation air con. Really good family van this. 7 berth and 7 travelling seatbelts.